Hello, today we will guide you through how to add wallet to CoinMarketCap portfolio. To get started, open CoinMarketCap in your browser. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main homepage and that everything is fully visible on your screen. This helps you follow along more easily, especially if you're new to the platform. Next, look for the portfolio option and click on it. This will take you to the area where CoinMarketCap lets you track your crypto holdings. The portfolio section is useful because it gives you a more organized view of assets, balances, and performance in one place. Once you're in the portfolio tracker, click on Create Portfolio. This is the option that begins the setup process for a new portfolio connection. If you already have other portfolios listed, this button helps you add another one without affecting your existing setup. After that, select the option to connect your wallet. This tells CoinMarketCap that instead of manually entering transactions, you want to link wallet information directly into the portfolio tool. This can make tracking easier and more efficient, since the platform can use that connection to organize your holdings. On the next screen, fill out the information that's required, including adding your wallet details where prompted. As you do this, read each field carefully so you enter the correct information in the correct place. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. If you're copying a wallet address from another app or browser tab, it's a good idea to double check it before moving on. Also, make sure you are using the wallet you actually want to track in this portfolio so your data stays organized. When all the required information has been entered, click Create Connection. This finalizes the setup and tells CoinMarketCap to save the wallet connection to your portfolio. Depending on the platform response, you may need to wait a few moments while the connection is processed. Once that's done, your wallet should be added to your CoinMarketCap portfolio, allowing you to monitor your assets more conveniently from within the platform. If anything doesn't look right after the connection is created, review the information you entered and confirm that the correct wallet details were used. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding a wallet to CoinMarketCap portfolio.